Hey traders, what's going on? I meant to get this, but the market started just moving so fast. I didn't get a chance to get the entry, but I entered in here on my lower time frame. Today is Friday, so I'm just gonna do two contracts going kind of light, so it's just two lots, one salary and one bonus. Yeah, that was the NQ that I just shorted. Actually, hold on, let me adjust this for me. Okay, let me trail this down a little bit more because it's gonna look like it's gonna go. So let me just pull that down just a little bit on that symbol. Yeah, sorry for the pause. Just trying to manage this trade and do this market. Started off moving a little fast this morning. This past few weeks, started off moving a little slow in the morning, but this one was going kind of fast. So basically, I have my stop here. I mean my target. So at this point, I have my hit my first stop, my first target, and this is my next target here. I have my stop adjusted here. At this point, I'm in the profit either way, so I can't lose. So we'll go from there. This first one was approximately was that 2 points? No, I'm sorry, no, 3 points. First target was 3 points, and this one right here will be I think 4.5 points. So we'll see. Uh, so I'm just above this bar. I'm just gonna trail it and see how we do on this Friday morning. The weekends are like the kind of Friday, like to go kind of light. You never really want to go over the weekend a loser. So uh, usually on the Friday, the most is anywhere between 2 to 4 contracts. I really don't really do anything on a too heavy on a Friday at one time at least. And then I usually only have maybe a salary and one bonus on a Friday. I usually worry about the two bonuses. So, but the norm is a salary and two bonuses. And since I know you came in the middle, my actual entry time was like 9:56. So that's what time I entered this. As you can see, I moved the stop down. I said, let me go ahead and just see because it's moving kind of fast. I'm only dealing with a salary and a bonus, so I'm going to adjust my stop down too. So, hold on. Okay, as we said, move my stop also to make sure we didn't lose. I should at least be, I think this is 20. This is about 5 points, a little over 5 at least right here. But I don't have that up because I don't want to count money in the middle of a trade. You know, emotionally can become a problem. Okay, just move my stop down a little more and also move my target down a couple ticks. If this ends like this, then I'm gonna go ahead. I'm just gonna take the profit and kill the trade. What is this? High 37.50. Okay, target was hit, and so I'm out of there. If I'd had another lot, then I still would have been trailing that one. But that's with two lots. There's no point in getting greedy and risk losing more. So I just went on and uh, took that profit. It wasn't shaping up. But usually that's why you have another bonus. So with that, you can really stretch it out. And ideally, if you're doing maybe if you're doing 5 contracts, I like to have maybe 3 salary and 2 bonus. If you're doing 3 contracts, I like to have 2 salary, 2 contracts selling 1 bonus. But I like for my salary to be heavy. But the way this shaped up through price, we had these dynamic bars down, then we had a static bar. It halted right here, and this has potential to be a turning point. So this is why I just went on and took the profit. This was, after a gap down and then having this move down with these 3 dynamic bars consecutive like this. I mean, this is with sellers here, so there's potential that some of their momentum may have slowed down. I mean, we don't know. There's other time frames out there, whether it's the daily, the weekly, no telling what those patterns may be. So it can continue to keep on selling. They have a bearish signal, but at this point, this is what I have on this one. So I just base it solely what the current time frame is telling me, which is my 5-minute. And so, like I said, I just streamlined everything. And after looking at charts, time at time, you find a way to make things more simplified. So at this point, not saying that support, resistance, and supply and demand. Like I said, I really went through those. Those were significant, they were. But over time, you look for a way to make life even simpler. So it's not always the point of improving everything. It's the point of how can this just be more streamlined, more simplified. So if I take my energy from focusing on those areas, then I just put more energy into focusing on what price is telling me at this moment. So it just allows my mind to be free to focus on more things. So what I like to call it a LCD, a more lower common denominator. Even though support and resistance is a lower common denominator, I think price is the lowest common denominator. So if I put more energy and focus on that and see how things turn out.